Hey everyone, and welcome to today's Explainer. I am so incredibly excited you're joining me today because we're going to do something super practical and highly rewarding. We are going to master 50 everyday English sentences that you can literally start using in your daily life right away. Whether you're a focused learner looking to level up your conversational skills, or maybe a parent wanting to practice bilingual phrases with your family, this session is totally designed for you. Our source material breaks down these everyday expressions beautifully, and we are going to learn them step by step. So, let's dive right in. So here's our game plan for today. We're going on a chronological day in the life journey. We'll start with the morning and home routine, then enjoying mealtime, school and learning, playtime and fun, and finally, ending the day. Now, before we start practicing, I wanted to share this really powerful quote directly from our source material. Learning English from an early age is essential. It not only builds confidence, but also helps in better communication at school and beyond. And honestly, that hits the nail on the head. Practicing these bilingual phrases isn't just about memorizing vocabulary, it's about empowering yourself and your family to communicate with absolute confidence, no matter where you are. All right, let's kick things off with section 1, morning and home routine. Okay, so we're going to establish a simple listen and repeat rhythm here. I'll say the English phrase, I'll give you a second to practice it out loud wherever you are, and then I'll say it once more. You can look at the Hindi on screen to anchor the meaning. Ready? Wake up. Wake up. Next, brush your teeth. Brush your teeth, a daily essential. Then, take a bath. Take a bath. Moving right along to getting dressed. Wear your clothes. Wear your clothes. And finally, come here. Come here. Awesome effort. Let's keep that morning momentum going. Sit down. Sit down, because good hygiene is important. Wash your hands. Wash your hands. Moving around the house. Open the door. Open the door. Then the opposite. Close the window. Close the window. And to finish the morning on a nice, healthy note, let's go for a walk. Let's go for a walk. See how beautifully that works? These simple commands are a total game changer for building early confidence. You're communicating before breakfast. Time for a quick quiz. Let's see how well your memory is working today. How do you say apne daat saaf karo in English? Go ahead and say it out loud. Time for a quick quiz. Let's see how well your memory is working today. How do you say apne daat saaf karo in English? Go ahead and say it out loud.
Well, if you confidently said brush your teeth, you are absolutely right. It is so crucial to constantly reinforce that morning vocabulary.
Moving right along to section 2, enjoying mealtime.
Let's look at how to express hunger and ask for food. Speak up clearly. I am hungry. I am hungry. Next, I want water. I want water. Here's a very polite request. Please give me food. Please give me food. When you are really enjoying your meal, you can compliment the chef. The food is tasty. The food is tasty. And if you've just got a massive appetite, I want more. I want more.
Let's see how we can build this into good eating habits and expressing satisfaction. When you've had enough, I am full. I am full. Always got to remember those manners. Thank you for the food. Thank you for the food. A super important family rule. Don't waste food. Don't waste food. Good advice for your digestion. Chew your food well. Chew your food well. And hey, if a dish just isn't your favorite, you can politely say, I don't like this. I don't like this.
Let's do a rapid recap of those mealtime phrases to really lock the vocabulary in. I am hungry. I want water. The food is tasty. I am full. Thank you for the food. Honestly, I have to praise your pronunciation right now. You are doing fantastic. All right, shifting gears. Section 3, school and learning. We're going to practice exactly how you'd speak in a more formal setting, like a classroom. I am going to school. I am going to school. When you arrive at the door, may I come in? May I come in? Greeting your teacher respectfully. Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am. Showing you're fully prepared. I have completed my homework. I have completed my homework. And politely asking for a hand. Please help me. Please help me. So, the crucial point here is practicing polite communication. Let's try a few more practical school scenarios. I need a pencil. I need a pencil. A highly common request. Can I go to the washroom? Can I go to the washroom? If you accidentally left something behind, I forgot my notebook. I forgot my notebook. A classic teacher instruction. Listen carefully. Listen carefully. And the best sound at the end of the day. The bell is rung. The bell is rung. Time for a mini quiz. Let's see how well you absorbed that last slide. How do you politely ask for permission to use the restroom? Try to remember the exact English phrase. The correct sentence is, can I go to the washroom? Great job committing that highly practical phrase to memory. Okay, let's bring the energy back up. Section 4, playtime and fun. Let's really bring some enthusiastic energy to these playtime phrases. Try to match my joyful tone. Let's play. Let's play. When you're having an absolute blast. I love this game. I love this game. Telling your buddy how you feel. You are my best friend. You are my best friend. Waiting for your chance. It's my turn. It's my turn. And a great cooperative habit to build. Let's share toys. Let's share toys. Now, let's start flowing smoothly from active play to winding down a bit. Be careful. Be careful. Showing off your creativity to everyone. Look what I made. Look what I made. To express that you want to be artistic, I want to draw. I want to draw. When the energy finally dips, I am tired. I am tired. And taking a breather, let's rest for a while. Let's rest for a while. Let's do a quick recap of those 5 essential playtime sentences. Let's play. You are my best friend. Let's share toys. Be careful. I am tired. I just want to congratulate you on keeping up your focus. Learning a language takes serious consistency, and you're proving you have exactly what it takes. And that brings us to our final part, Section 5, ending the day. Let's soften our voices and read through the evening routine. Keep practicing out loud. Keep your toys back. Keep your toys back. Getting the room nice and dark for sleep. Switch off the light. Switch off the light. The final instruction of the day. Go to bed. Go to bed. If you need to make amends before going to sleep, I am sorry, Mom. I am sorry, Mom. And a really lovely bedtime request. Please tell me a story. Please tell me a story. What's so wonderful about these last few phrases is how perfectly they close out our day. Good night. Good night. A really sweet wish. Sweet dreams. Sweet dreams. A nice quiet moment. Say your prayers. Say your prayers. Wishing someone a restful night. Sleep well. Sleep well. And the very last phrase. Looking forward to the next day. See you tomorrow. See you tomorrow.
You literally did it. You have mastered exactly 50 daily use sentences. Just think about the journey we took, from waking up in the morning all the way to going to sleep. You now have the vocabulary for all of it. So as we wrap up this explainer, I want to leave you with one final question to think about. Which new English sentence will you confidently use first tomorrow morning? Don't just let this knowledge sit there. Apply your new bilingual skills in the real world immediately. Thank you so much for hanging out and learning with me today. Keep practicing, and I'll see you next time.